Today I'm going to show you how to make a really tasty salad recipe. It's a bread salad which uses cubed up ciabatta bread that we're going to bake, along with some tomatoes, peppers, red onions, fresh basil, a homemade dressing. This is super yummy and gourmet, and you can serve it for dinner guests or for your family, and I guarantee you will love it. So we're going to start by baking the bread. So we're going to just cut it. So it's 8 ounces of ciabatta bread. And you could use French bread or like any bakery bread that's similar to ciabatta. So ciabatta's really kind of narrow. So you're just gonna cut it into cubes. Okay, so once you slice it all, then you can take it, and you don't want the pieces too big, so I'm gonna cut each of these in half and then into cubes. And I have the oven preheated to 400 degrees. These are gonna bake for 10 minutes. Okay, so I'll get the rest of this cubed up and be right back. All right, so the bread is cubed and I put it in a pan, so it's, you kind of want it in a single layer if possible. And then we're gonna drizzle the top with about a tablespoon of olive oil and pop that into the oven, remember 400 degrees, for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, go ahead and mix it around and then do 5 more minutes. So I'm gonna take care of that and be right back to show you how to assemble the salad. Okay, so for the salad, I've done all the prep work. You want 2 medium-sized chopped tomatoes first. Yum, I'm obsessed with tomatoes. 1 yellow pepper that is chopped pretty small. About 1 cup of thinly sliced red onions. You could use white or yellow or whatever you have available. And about 8 fresh basil leaves, finely chopped. Healthy stuff, right? I love salad. Love, love, love. Okay, and then in a mixing bowl or measuring cup, whatever you have, you're gonna make a very simple dressing, starting with 1/4 of a cup of olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is all that I use. Okay, and then I have some balsamic vinegar, and I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons. Okay, some Dijon mustard, always give it a good shake. Okay, and about a tablespoon of that. Okay, good. Mrs. Dash Italian Medley. I'm gonna put a teaspoon. And some black pepper. About a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Salt, of course. Teaspoon of salt, which I'm gonna put the salt right over the salad itself because sometimes when you mix it with the dressing, it doesn't mix properly, so. All right, and last to the dressing is 1 clove of garlic. And I mean, this is just a great dressing overall. You could put it on just like a regular tossed salad or steamed veggies or anything. Oops. Okay, so whisk, whisk, whisk till it starts to get a little creamy. The mustard helps it get creamy. And you can always use substitutions with cooking. Like if you don't have balsamic vinegar, use red wine vinegar. If you don't have yellow pepper, use green pepper, obviously. They taste the same, it's just the color. And this is like a color explosion, love it. Okay, so yeah, it's really nice and creamy now. So we're gonna go ahead and pour it over. Oh man, that smells so good. Mix it around. I mean, such a fast salad. You could double it and bring it to a potluck. Looking good, right? Oh, and there's our timer. That's 5 minutes on our bread. So I'm gonna mix it around, finish those off, and come back and add them, and we're gonna top it off with some cheese. Okay, so the bread's done. I baked it about 12 minutes because you just want it to be definitely looking kind of crispy and crunchy, almost like a crouton. So this is a salad that you want to serve right away. If it sits in the fridge, the bread is going to get soggy, and it's going to taste a lot better when the bread is crispy. So even if you were to bring it somewhere, you maybe keep these items separate and then add the bread right before serving and mix it in. Okay, just a little tidbit for you. So we'll go ahead and add this yummy crispy ciabatta bread. Ooh. Okay, and then on the top you can sprinkle some cheese. I recommend fresh Parmesan cheese, but I'm out, so I'm using a 6-cheese Italian, and you can just put a light coating over the top. And you can finish off the entire salad or each individual bowl with a little sweetness, a little balsamic glaze, which is so delicious. And there you have it, bread salad. Simple, delicious, healthy. So go out and make it. Let me know how it turns out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget all my recipes are down below, and have yourself a wonderfully blessed day.